तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Namaste and welcome to today's morning assembly. Today is 7th January અને ગુજરાતી તિથિ પ્રમાણે આજે માગસર વદ નોમ છે. Dreams is not what you see in sleep. It is the thing that does not let you sleep. With this thought, let's surrender ourselves to the divine majesty.
નમસ્તે. દરેકના જીવનમાં એક સાચો ગુરુ હોય છે જે પોતાના શિષ્યોને સાચો રસ્તો અને સાચો માર્ગ બતાવે છે. ખૂબ જ પ્રાચીન ભજન આટલો જન્મ સુધારો, ગુરુજી મારો આટલો જન્મ સુધારો. આ પ્રાચીન ભજનમાં ગુરુ માટે સુંદર ભાવ રજૂ થયો છે કે અમારા અંતરના આત્મામાં રહેલી શક્તિઓને જે ઓળખાવે એ ગુરુને સાક્ષાત વંદન.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े किसको लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरुदेव के तूने गोविंद दियो बताए। जय गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव।
आटलो जन्म सुधारो गुरुजी मारो, आटलो जन्म सुधारो जी। आटलो जन्म सुधारो
keep focus in our dreams, let's invite Harshadan Sata to recite a poem in English titled Keep Your Dreams.
Namaste. Today I am going to recite a poem, Keep Your Dreams. Keep your dreams. They are richer far than the facts discovered are. Do not seek all things to touch. Do not want to know too much. Growing old, still play the child. Keep some glory undefiled. What if clouds are mist and air? Still see ships sailing there. What would life be if we knew only those things which are true? If the things of bad and good were by all man understood. Nature's hills and brooks and springs would be catalogued as things. Keep your dreams, for in them lies joy denied to man grown wise. Still build castles in the air, still see white ships sailing there. Still have something to pursue, something which you wish you knew. Something which you wish you knew. Thank you.
अब हम हृदयेश दागिया को बुलाएंगे हिंदी कविता प्रस्तुत करने, जिसका शीर्षक है तू खुद की खोज में निकल।
नमस्ते। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है, तो चल तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां समझ न इनको वस्त्र तू, ये बेड़ियां पिघाल के बना ले इनको वस्त्र तू, बना ले इनको वस्त्र तू। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है, तो चल तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। चरित्र जन पवित्र है, चरित्र जन पवित्र है, तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी, ये पापियों को हक नहीं कि ले परीक्षा तेरी, कि ले परीक्षा तेरी। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है, तो चल तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। जला के भस्म कर उसे जो क्रोधता का जाल है, तो आरती की लौ नहीं, तो क्रोध की मशाल है, तो क्रोध की मशाल है। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है, तो चल तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। चूनर उड़ा के ध्वज बना, चूनर उड़ा के ध्वज बना, गगन भी कब कब आएगा, अगर तेरी चूनर गिरी तो एक भूकंप आएगा, तो एक भूकंप आएगा। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है, तो चल तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Hridesh. Please get ready for the national anthem. Assembly Saudhan.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Assembly Vishram. Now it's the time for today's point to Socho. So I invite Parsha Doshi to share the same with us.
Namaste. There is no single person in this world that does not have a dream. So, what is a dream? A dream is a bit of imagination conjured up by our mind. Moreover, it is something that makes the future worth living. However, the word dream is confused with a very similar yet such a different word. This word is goals. Goals are concrete plans that are set to achieve a particular target. You see, goals are something that are acted on. Goals are something that have deadlines. And lastly, goals are something you work hard on, something you persist for. Let me further explain this difference with an example. Imagine you are in a theater and you see a protagonist. The protagonist has a bunch of supercars and lives in a lavish mansion. You immediately start thinking, what would I do if I had this lavish mansion, if I had these supercars? I would just go driving around, I would just live in all of this luxury. That's a dream. Now, when you make this dream a goal, to achieve the lavish mansion, to get enough money to buy all of these supercars, that's when you change your life. You change each and every moment in your life to further suit your goal. You change each and every moment thinking about how will I get these supercars? How will I live in this lavish mansion? You see, there are two question words. Dreams are associated with the question what. What will I do once I get this? What will I do once I get that? However, goals are associated with the word how. How am I going to get there? And as such, dreams are a form of inspiration, but goals are a form of action. Yet, how many of us dreamers actually inspire to dream big, out of the societal norms, out of the box? How many of us dream to venture out inside the Amazon rainforest and explore the wilderness there? How many of us actually set a deadline on our goals instead of just ending a dream with someday? How many of us actually keep our dreams, write our dreams down, and stick them in a place where we see them each and every day? And how many of us change our dreams, not to have a better future and better luxury, but just to better suit our goals? How many of us actually realize the true potential and difference between a dream and a goal? Point to Socho.
Well done, Parshva. Thank you all for being with us and have a wonderful Thursday ahead.